How to schedule tests in ChemIt. To schedule tests, use the View tab to focus in on the date, then the time you wish to schedule the test. For example, first select Month View because the test is a week and a half away. Select the day, then use the Day View option to break the selected day into hourly segments that you can schedule into by right-clicking the selected time you wish to schedule the test. Select the Schedule Analysis option from the drop-down menu. This process works the same for titration or pH. Just select the test that will be performed in the pop-up menu window that appears after selecting Schedule Analysis. Then choose the line and tank. If titrating, you will also select the chemical. But if recording pH, only select the line and tank. You also have the chance to edit the time or date for the test in this window, rather than having to delete and start again. By clicking on the Recurrence button, you can view or edit the recurrence options.